Tired of the same old look for your Airbnb? Let's dive in and refresh your listing's first impression by changing your cover photo first. Head over to Airbnb and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the Listings tab, usually found on the left side, to see all your active listings. Select the listing you want to update and click its title or a specific listing card. This will take you to your listings dashboard. Inside the dashboard, look for the photo section. Often near the middle of the page it might be labeled media or something similar, depending on Airbnb's current interface. Click on the photos or media section here. You'll see all the photos you've uploaded for your listing. The first photo displayed is your current cover photo. Now, simply click the image to open the media page. This will display all your listing's images. Browse through your existing photos. If one is perfect, click the Set as Cover Photo or 3 dots and then select Cover Photo or an icon that resembles a house. If you want to use a new photo, click the Add Photos or Upload Photos button. Once you've selected a new photo or you've uploaded a new image, it should appear at the start. Select the new image and hit the Save button at the bottom. Head back to your listings to make sure the new picture is on display. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Airbnb cover photo. Now make sure your new cover photo is eye-catching and high quality to attract more bookings.